So hi, today is like day 11, but that's not really the point. Um, yeah. So I was aiming for this college, and I don't think I'm gonna get in the college because of stupid boards, and I'm probably overthinking this. But I don't know. I just like to say it on camera first. I'm probably gonna end up in like fucking MIT WPU, I guess. Well, that's where I will mostly be ending up. But what I thought was after fucking you know, being in the state because of, well, everything I did for 2 years. Nothing, honestly, I didn't do anything, but that's kind of the reason why I'm here. I guess the best I can probably do is like try for like at least like a free ship at MIT WPU because I don't know, parents Loki seem disappointed as fuck. And the thing is, I genuinely have no drive to do better, like at least for a college now. Like I just want the 2 3 months to get over at this point. I know it sounds kind of like I sound like a spoiled retard who's just saying it because he doesn't value stuff. But I genuinely like can't do anything. Like at least like try for a better college lock in and stuff like that. Cause I don't know, man. I don't think my dad is or like they're okay with me studying, right? But then I'm not gonna complete the portion in time. And or even if I complete the portion, solve questions, get the marks, so I'm gonna get fucked eventually. They're gonna get like, what's the thing? They're gonna get sad or whatever eventually, anyways. And even if I try to like convince them, ki, don't keep expectations, like I can't like I can study. The thing is, I just don't want to anymore. Like, I just want this phase to get over, and they don't understand that. Well, they still want me to keep pushing and stuff. I'm not against that. Like, obviously, I'll try, but I genuinely don't keep hopes for like, you know, uh, a really good college or some shit like that, or like even yeah, a really good college, or even me getting admitted into colleges. So yeah, that's it honestly, and so I thought, there's this thing MITWPU mein. Well, if you get like 98 percentile above in CET, you kind of like get a free ship. And well, I don't really care about the money honestly. But then I feel like after like wasting 2 years and disappointing my parents quite a bit, this is probably like the least I could do. But I don't even know if it's gonna be like if it's gonna work out honestly. Like in 2 months, getting 98 percentile for me from zero, I low-key don't know. And I'm not gonna say it out ki, I'm gonna do that because I've said a lot of shit I'm gonna do, and I ended up doing like, well, not doing, but I ended up like kind of like failing in everything. Failing, probably I didn't try hard enough, probably I didn't want to do it. I just didn't end up like being where I want to. So yeah, the point of the video isn't for me to background noise. Sorry if you hear background noise, just like ignore it. There's a stupid function going on, like some behind the place I live. Yeah, the point of the video wasn't like for me to make a commitment or some shit. It was just to explain the situation. The past few days not uploading and shit. Well, that's not really what I wanted to explain, but like, just so people don't keep expectations, quite a lot of them, from me. And even like, I don't know, it's actually not okay to be this lost, but I kind of am. Like, I kind of overthink quite a lot too, but like, still, I just wanted to like make this video. That's really it. Two more months, I guess. I'll probably end everything after April 25th, take a break or some shit, do what I want to, or I'll probably try for the May 25th attempt. because of this stupid free ship shit that got to my head now. Ki, oh shit, maybe I can do this for my parents. I don't know. I'll just I don't know. I came down to walk for a bit. It's like fucking 9 o'clock. I'll walk for a bit, listen to a bit of music, and sleep early today. Cause yeah, health's a bit fucked, I guess. Skin's low-key good though. It's getting better. But yeah. So, and I'm also tired actually. My brain, it hurts. So I'm gonna. That's also why I made the video, cause I just wanted to let some stuff out. So I'm gonna sleep with my hair. Yeah, sorry. I'm gonna sleep early today by like 10. 10, yeah. I'll probably go. I'll go to sleep early today. Yeah. Don't like judge the video, of course, or like the goals or anything. Like, yeah, what I said. I mean, obviously you can't judge, but then like there's kind of no point to judge. Yeah, just shut the fuck up. Yeah, like just watch it and get over with it. Yeah. Bye.